Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Sonone. I am studying in MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. So today, our presentation topic name is compaction. So we will the next slide. What is compaction? A simple ground improvement technique where the soil is dissipated through the external compactive effort. In that compactive effort, plus water will be the compaction will be occur. So in the next slide, compaction is the process. So, the soil particles are artificially rearranged and packaged together into the closer state and contact with the mechanical mix in order to decrease the porosity of the soil and increases the dry density of the soil. So, in next slide, so laboratory tests are conducted. There are two laboratory tests are conducted. First will be the standard pocketed test. The second will be the modified pocketed test. In that standard pocketed test, there will be the 3 layers and modified pocketed test, there will be the 5 layers. Each layer were there 25 blows and in that standard pocketed test, the hammer will be 2.6 kg will be used. In the modified pocketed test, 4.5 kg hammer will be used. So, in that standard pocket test, 310 mm drop will be used. In that modified pocketed test, 450 mm drop will be used. So, see the next slide. In that laboratory compaction test, there will be first see the standard pocketed test. In the standard pocketed test, the cylindrical mold of 100 mm internal diameter and internal effective height, there will be the 127.3 mm capacity of the 1000 mm. In this detachable base plate of the which removable extension collar in metallic rammer of diameter will be 50 mm, rest will be the 2.6 kg and fall of the down into the 310 mm drop. So we will see the next. So steel straight is about the 30 mm in length with one edge is leveled and balance will be the 0.001 gram and sensitively in 10 kg will be the capacity. So ISQ will be the 20 mm and 4.7 mm. So see the next slide will be the procedure will be the followed for the standard pocketed test. So first will be the prepare the 6 kg of the soil sample in the 100 cc mold by the steering. It through the 20 mm return at the 4.7 mm will be the size. So it will be the clean and dry slightly grease the mold and the base plate will be the weight of the empty mold, the base plate with the extension collar. So next will be the take about the 2.5 kg of the soil for the 100 mm mold for the light compaction. So add the water to the specimen to bring the moisture content to about the 4 to 5% of the sandy soil and mix the water with thoroughly in the soil. So divided the weight into the 3 equal parts. So put the 3 layer of the compact. In each layer where 25 blows are used. Absolutely 25 blows are used in each layer. So in standard pocket test obviously 25 and in modified pocket test with the 25 blows are used. So next will be the before the putting the second layer make the scratches on the first layer. So with the help of the sharp edge will be tool. So next will be the second and third layer are similarly compacted. So rotate the collar to the break bond between in the solid line. Then remove the collar and trim off the soil make flush with the top dam mold. So clean the loose soil and outside the base of the mold. So weight of the mold base plate is compacted soil. Now inject the soil of the mold and take representative of the soil. So sample from the center and keep even the water content is determined. So sample will be the collected from the center. So repeat procedure by the 6-7 times by increasing the water content by 2%. So in each turn. So next slide. So modified pocketed test. In that modified pocketed test, this compacted is needed for the severe transport and military aircraft. This will be the use for transport and military aircraft. Test will be the conducted there. So In each layer, 5 layers will be the, and 25 blows is absolutely 25 blows for standard and modified pocket test, and 4.5 kg hammer will be used. So absolutely weight of the hammer will be increases in that modified pocket test, will be the compaction in that modified pocket test will be the high. So drop will be the height will be the increase in standard pocket test. 310 mm drop will be used in modified pocket test. 450 mm drop will be used absolutely. So next will be the procedure will be the same in modifier and standard pocket test. So next will be the field compaction test. So in that field compaction test, soil can be compacted in field by the three methods. First will be the rolling, second will be the ramming, this will be the absolutely impact, and third will be the vibration. That vibration will be the this will be the used in on field. So rolling equipment. Rolling equipment first will be smooth wheel roller will be used for the crushed rock. So second will be the pneumatic triad roller, both soil. So granular soil and sand. So third one will be the sheep foot roller. This is cohesive soil. This will be the use for cohesive soil. So fourth one will be the laurier and pneumatic tire roller construction plant. And fifth one will be the track layering vehicle. So these are the rolling equipment for use on the field. So second one will be the ramming equipment, the confined place. So in that ramming equipment, first will be the dropping weight type, second will be the internal combustion type, and third one will be the pneumatic type. So these are the ramming equipment used for the compaction. So next will be the vibrators. Vibrator and cohesion-less soil. These vibrators are used in cohesion-less soil. So this will be the absolute use in the prepare construct the building. So this will be the use in sprint level. The vibrators are used. So dropping weight type, and second will be the flushing hydraulic gradient. So in that first will be the smooth wheel roller. In that smooth wheel roller, as the name is implied, use the one large smooth steel drum. In that front is either one or two wheels, one rear end compaction. These are the either tandem two-wheel or three-wheel roller. Smooth wheel roller is ideal gravel, sand, blast and surface dressing. This will be the use. So in that next slide, kinematic tire roller. In that kinematic tire roller, the pneumatic roller is a rubber tire instead of the steel tire or drum, and features of the two tandem axles with the three or four tires on the front axle and four and five tires on the rear. The tires is mounted in the pair that can be oscillate, so tires can be moved down into the socket. In spot that would be the barrier of the steel drum. So in the next slide, sheep foot roller. So in that sheep foot roller are used to primary for the compaction, cohesive and dense soil. This will be the use and heavy and silty clay. They are not effective on loose or sandy soil due to the protrusion simply tilling the soil rather than the compacting it. So in the next slide will be the track laying vehicle. In that track laying vehicle, a track laying vehicle is a vehicle whose wheels run inside the continuous chain or track. A track laying vehicle could be described as a wheeled vehicle carrying its own road with a track laying vehicle in the engine of the drive of the small cog wheels that run along the top of the track in the contact with the ground. So in that next will be the rammer. The rammer compactor can compact all types of soil, medium and deep layer in the trenches, foundation, backpiece, etc. It is ideal for the compaction work in the confined area and where the high compaction density is required. So the thickness of the layer is compacted should be the approx 300 mm but not less than 150 mm. So in the next slide, the vibrator. So vibratory Solar is compactor having drums used for densify soil in asphalt or other materials through the application of the combined static and dynamic forces increasing the load bearing capacity of the surface. So this is the compaction. Thank you very much.